Hello friends, welcome to Code Crush Coding. This is our first video on Python series. So let's learn some concepts about the Python. So what is Python? Python is a popular programming language. Python can connect to database systems. It can also read and modify files. So basically, like if you are knowing any programming languages, this can be done in other programming languages as well. But what makes Python special? Because Python syntax is very easy and it is similar to like that of English language. So Python can be used to handle big data and perform complex mathematics. Python has syntax that allows developers to write programs with fewer lines than some other programming languages. To write a code in Python, it's very easy. Python has a simple syntax similar to English language. So let's learn what are some of the features of Python. So Python features: easy to learn and use. So Python is easy to learn as compared to other programming languages. Its syntax is straightforward and much more similar to English language. In other programming language there is some use of semicolon and curly braces, but in Python we don't have that semicolon and curly braces compulsory, but the concept of indentation is used in Python. We will be seeing those when we will start the practical implementation on Python. So it is the recommended programming language for beginners. Expressive language. So Python can perform complex tasks using a few lines of code. For example, like to print something on console. If you consider the example of Java language, you need to provide system.out.println to perform it. But in Python, we do have one function which is called as print, and in print you need to provide what you want to display on the browser. We will be seeing that in live demos. Third one feature of Python is object oriented language. So it is also object oriented language. Python supports object-oriented language and concept of classes and objects come into existence. We will have separate series on this object-oriented language for Python once we will cover all the basic concepts of Python. So another feature is dynamic memory allocation. So what do you mean by dynamic memory allocation? So in programs we do define some variables and we do provide some values to them. But in Python we don't need to provide a data type to the variable. Consider a situation when we assign some value to the variable. Python automatically allocates the memory to the variable at runtime. Suppose we are assigning some value to the variable. So see here, in other programming languages you need to provide the data type. Data type here is int. Int stand for integer. So this x contains a value 5 which is of data type integer, so we have provided here int. But in Python we don't need to provide this int. So in Python you just provide the variable name which is x equals to 5, and this will allocate memory at runtime. So there is no need to provide any data type to a variable in Python. So that makes Python very special and easy to use. It is also like platform independent and it can support multiple platforms like Windows, Mac OS, Linux, all of them. So yeah, that's the theory about the Python. We will see another topics in next video. Thank you for watching.